Okay, currency exchange. So now you've organized your whole holiday. Now you need to get money. So even though you may plan to use a credit card when you're overseas, you still need the local currency to pay for small items of food and taxis and things like that. If you've got an ATM card that's got these two signs on, or the Maestro icon on the back, you can use the card in overseas ATM machines to get their local currency. Actually, just put it in their ATM and you'll get their money out. When you obtain money in this way, the receipt, including the current balance in the account, will be in the currency of the country where you withdrew the money. Pretty cool, eh? Even though you can obtain cash electronically, you still need to know how much you're paying in Australian dollars for overseas purchases. You want to see if you're getting the bargain. Okay, money conversions. Guys, you need to write these things down. So, the value of money changes all the time. The amount of money that can be exchanged for one Aussie dollar is called the exchange rate. Each day, exchange rates are published in the newspapers, on television, and on the internet. Easiest way to determine currency conversions is to use an online converter. Okay, really, really easy. But we're going to try without it. Okay, so to change Aussie dollars into another currency, now this is what I need you to write down. You multiply it by the exchange rate. So to change another currency into Australian dollars, you divide. So if you've got another currency, so I want you to write these two things down. Write them down, pause me, and write them down so you know which you have to do. So basically, if you want to get into another currency, you multiply. If you want to get it back to our currency, you divide. Right, worksheet 3.1, please write it nice and neatly. Okay, here we go. So this is saying 1 Aussie dollar is equal to 0.855 Canadian dollars. 1 Aussie dollar is equal to 5.297 South African rand. Ha ha ha. And 1 Aussie dollar is equal to 0.593 euros. Okay, let's use that information. Convert 3,000 Australian dollars into Canadian dollars. So what do? To change Australian dollars, we multiply by the Aussie exchange rate. So we know we've got 3,000 Australian dollars, and we multiply by the exchange rate, which is there. So you do that in your calculator, 0.855 times 3,000, or 3,000 times 0.855, and that will give you so many Canadian dollars. Please make sure you show you're working out. All right, next one. Convert Australian 3,000 Aussie dollars into South African rand. So what do? Exchange Aussie dollars, you multiply by the exchange rate. So you say 5.297 times by your Aussie dollars. So you do that. Give me your answer, baby. Make sure you're showing you're working out. And then we get C. Convert 3,000 Australian dollars into euros. To exchange Australian dollars, multiply by $1 exchange rate. Beautiful. 0.593 euros times by 3,000. Okay.